Have you noticed how Samsung keeps reinventing its software with each update, but sometimes the changes feel a bit predictable? Well, next year, things will be different. Samsung is bringing back something it hasn't done in years, a point 5 version of One UI. Yes, One UI 8.5 is officially in development, and it could mean big changes for millions of Galaxy users. So, what exactly is One UI 8.5? When is it coming? And will your phone be on the list? Let's break it all down. For a little context, let's rewind. In the early days of One UI, Samsung used to release updates in small steps. We had versions like 1.1, 1.5, 2.1, and 2.5. These were packed with useful features that came between the big yearly upgrades. But eventually, Samsung changed strategy. Instead of giving everyone a 0.5 update, it focused on versions like 3.1, 1 or 4.1.1, which were mostly aimed at foldable phones. For a long time, the mid-cycle 0.5 updates disappeared. Now, that's about to change after One UI 8.0, which rolled out with Android 16. Samsung is skipping both 8.1 and 8.1.1 entirely. Instead, it's jumping straight to One UI 8.5. That makes this the first proper 0.5 release in years, and it signals that Samsung may be rethinking how it delivers software improvements. So, when is One UI 8.5 coming? Samsung plans to debut it with the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. That means the new version will ship right out of the box on those devices before making its way to older models. What about features? At this stage, Samsung hasn't revealed much, but here's what we do know. One UI 8.5 will be based on Android 16 and is expected to introduce new Galaxy AI tools. There's even talk of Samsung letting users pick between different assistants, instead of being locked into just one option like Google Gemini. On top of that, Samsung is working on updates to its internet browser, which will be optimized for the Galaxy S26 and One UI 8.5. Now, if you're expecting a massive overhaul, it's better to keep your hopes realistic. One UI 8.0 itself was considered a fairly minor update, so 8.5 might follow the same path, with refinements, better stability, and some focused new features rather than a full redesign. The rollout will depend heavily on how ambitious Samsung is with these AI features. If it adds big, system-level improvements, it might take a couple of months after the Galaxy S26 launch before other devices start receiving the update. Either way, timelines are flexible, and Samsung usually staggers releases across regions. Now, here's the big question. Will your phone be eligible? The good news is that if your device qualifies for One UI 8, chances are it'll get 8.5 too. That includes every flagship Galaxy phone launched since 2022, many A-series mid-range models, and even some tablets and budget-friendly phones. To give you a sense of scale, here are just a few highlights from the eligibility list. From the Galaxy S lineup, the S25 family, the S24 series, and even the S23 and S22 models. On the foldable side, everything from the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, all the way back to the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. For mid-range users, devices like the Galaxy A73, A55, A54, A35, and even budget models like the A15 and A06 are expected to be covered. Tablets are also included, such as the Galaxy Tab S11 series, the Tab S10 line, and the Tab S9 family. And even the Galaxy F and M series, along with rugged X-Cover phones, are part of the list. Of course, for some of these devices, One UI 8.5 will be the final major feature update before Samsung moves them to security patches only. So, to wrap it all up, One UI 8.5 marks the return of Samsung's mid-cycle updates. It will debut with the Galaxy S26 in early 2026, bring modest improvements along with fresh AI features, and roll out to a wide range of phones and tablets. Now, here's my question for you. Would you prefer Samsung to save its biggest innovations for One UI 9, or do you like the idea of more frequent but smaller updates like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Samsung and Android updates.